American Idol, Mara Justine was top 12, America's Got Talent, finalist Mara Justine on American Idol, ABC, Eric Leibowitz. One of the most memorable auditions of American Idol Season 16 is performed by Mara Justine, the 15-year-old singer from Galloway, New Jersey. This isn't Mara Justine's first time on TV, nor in a TV singing competition. Mara was a finalist on America's Got Talent, Season 9 in 2014. Magician Matt Franco won that season. For her AGT audition, at the age of 11, Mara sang "And I Am Telling You I'm Not Going," the song that helped Jennifer Hudson earn an Oscar, Dreamgirls. Mara received a standing ovation from all four AGT judges: Howie Mandel, Mel B, Heidi Klum, and Howard Stern. Katy Perry's "Unconditionally" is on her Prism album. During the AGT semi-finalists, Mara sang "Unconditionally" by Katy Perry, who's now an American Idol judge, and won the AGT Judges' Choice. During the semi-finals, Mara sang "Breakaway" by Kelly Clarkson and won the Snapple Save. Mara made it to the top 12, but after singing "Perfect" by Pink she was eliminated. American Idol airs Sundays and Mondays at 8 p.m. on ABC.